Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Warm up with short time tasks and review model answers to learn structure and vocabulary. Focus on planning, writing, and revising each essay with specific goals like coherence or lexical range. Track recurring mistakes and keep a notebook of useful phrases and collocations. Use peer or teacher feedback to refine ideas and sentence variety, and gradually increase the difficulty of prompts to challenge your skills and timing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun little pick-me-up to keep your car smelling fresh after long study sessions. It makes breaks feel a bit more rewarding and keeps the commute pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt a predictable structure to save time and show examiners clarity of thought. Start with a rephrased prompt and a precise thesis, then write body paragraphs each with a topic sentence, explanation, and example. Use varied linking words and keep vocabulary accurate rather than flashy. End with a direct conclusion that restates your position and main points, and always reserve minutes to proofread for grammar and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.